everyone, welcome back to my channel. My name is Delene and today I want to talk about a pre-loved item that I had purchased off of eBay. I think this is my fourth purchase that I have done on eBay with my pre-loved items and my pre-loved Louis Vuitton. And this one is from a Japanese seller in Japan. So let me go ahead and show you my gorgeous multicolor Insolite wallet. I think that's how you pronounce it. I'm not really sure. I purchased this because I thought the color of the multicolor wallets were beautiful and it just stood out to me, and I'm so attracted to the colors on here. I don't know why I didn't purchase this when it first came out. But this wallet to me is gorgeous and the inside is just amazing. I wanted one with the pink, and so I finally found one with the pink and I just think it is amazing. Now, my first initial color that I wanted was the black multicolor one, but the black multicolor ones, the LVs and all these little monograms, a lot of them were faded, and if they weren't faded they were too much money, but I felt like I got this one at such a great deal. I'm pretty sure it was probably brighter when it was newer, but I think it still looks gorgeous. I don't see any scratches or fading of the monogram, so I do love that. And this is what it looks like open. So this is what it looks like from the back, and then there's a little ring here where you can attach a chain so you can use it like a wristlet, and Louis Vuitton does sell that. I haven't looked it up yet on Amazon or eBay or whatever to find a cheaper one, but I love that I have an option to do that. And the inside is just, oh, I just love the inside. It holds 12 credit cards. So I like that because I like wallets that hold a lot more. I know a lot of people don't like a lot of compartments, but I don't mind that at all. I actually love that. This one does not have as much compartment as the Zippy full-size wallet, but it will keep my credit cards pretty organized, so I know where they are instead of searching for it in my wallet. So there are two zipper compartments in this gorgeous wallet. As you can see, there is no marks from coins in there. When I first got this wallet, there were so many black marks on there. I was not sure if I really wanted to keep it, but I had gotten eye makeup remover, Neutrogena, I think that's what it's called, and I got a Q-tip and I started rubbing away on it and it looks gorgeous. I mean, I would say I did a really good job, and I had dirt around here. I got that off around here. I mean, it was everywhere where the credit card slots were. I got all that off and all that here, and then there was a few on the outside, and thank goodness they all came off. And now I look at it and I'm like, oh my goodness, I love this so much, especially this color. I didn't want the hot pink one. I didn't want the green one. I specifically wanted this one. Okay. So anyways, it has two zipper compartments, as you can see here. Okay, and then the 12 credit card slots, and also additional space here, I guess for receipts, or if you want to put more credit cards, I'm not really sure, whatever you want to do. A pocket here, as you can see, that's all clean, and another pocket here as well. And I think this says, it's kind of hard to read, it's pink, but it's got silver writing on it, and it says Louis Vuitton. I don't know what it says, but anyways, Louis Vuitton Paris. I think it says made in France. It is so light, it's so hard to see. So when I want to look at the number on when it got made, I can kind of see it down there, but it's really hard for me to see it. It's probably because of my eyes. I'm getting so old and I'm having to wear glasses. And if I'm not wearing glasses, I'm wearing contact. I have bifocal contacts now. And then to top it off, sometimes, I guess certain time of the month, I don't know, I can't see real good still, and I'm wearing my bifocal contacts plus my reading glasses. So it's so wonderful being 49 years old. I can't imagine getting any older. Anyways, I'm not completely sure about the measurements that Louis Vuitton had on the Insolite wallet, only because of the fact that they don't have the Insolite wallet at all anymore. I know this particular one was discontinued a while ago, the multicolor wallet, but I looked it up on Fashion File, and someone posted an Insolite wallet on there, and it says the length is 8 inches, so 1 inch on the width here, and 4 inches from the top. I know I could have measured it myself, but I wanted the exact measurement that they had. So love my wallet so much, and I don't mind buying pre-loved items just as long as it looks good. I don't like any of the monograms to be scratched. So like, I wanted to purchase the black one like this, but like I said, the black one has the monograms all scraped up, and I don't want anything, I don't mind it being old, but I don't want it to be worn out looking, and so this is why I picked this white one, and I love it. Now I do notice, because of it having to open like this all the time, that I do have 2 cracks on my wallet, and I'm assuming that's something that's going to happen to all the Insolite wallets eventually, as you can see there. So anyways, I did want to show you that my iPhone X does fit in there, and I'm assuming it will only fit if I don't overstuff the wallet. So I got that in there, and I can just about zip it up there. So I can put all my stuff in here, and then put my credit card here, and then close it up. So if I buy the little chain for the wristlet on there, this would work so well with me just grabbing this and my keys and then going. It's like a little clutch. So I actually really like that. It's like a little clutch. So I thought that was really pretty. Of course, it would fit better in here if I took off my phone case, but that is not something I want to do because I drop my phone often. So anyways, let me know what you guys think, and if you guys have one of these, if there's anything that can happen to this purse as time, or this wallet as time goes on, because there is a crack there. Now, I do want to say that my trimmings here looks amazing. There is no scuff marks on here at all. This looks great. So I think I got this wallet and such a good deal. On eBay, they did not say that I can make an offer, but I emailed the buyer, and he actually went down on the price for me, exactly what I wanted. So I thought that was really awesome. And we didn't go back and forth or anything. He just agreed to give it to me for a lot less than what he was trying to sell it for. And also on one of my pull tabs, one of them is quite a bit worn, and he did post that on there. I don't know if it's that one, but you can kind of see it here and there. I don't know which one it is. It's kind of dark right now in my house. So I love it, and I'm going to be using it quite often. I love, like I said, the way it opens and stuff. So anyways, let me show you my outfit of the day. I had gotten this dress. It's supposed to be a long top, but I bought it a little bit bigger, so it would be more of a dress than a long top that just went a few inches above my knees. It's Free People, so it's kind of hippie-ish looking, I guess, but it is such an adorable dress. I already got compliments on it today. Okay, so it's a really, really cute dress. It's by Free People, and I have to wear a tank, obviously, to go with this dress, and it's very flowy, but you can find this if you go onto the website. I got this at Dillard's, but if you go onto the website for free, people, it's underneath the tops. And this was also advertised on a mannequin at Dillard's with jeans. And I'm already 5'2". I'm pretty short. So I didn't want to wear it as a top, even though if I thought it looked cute, but it's a little bit longer than what it looked like on the mannequin. So I just went ahead and got it one size bigger, even though if it was already big. And of course, I'm 49 years old. I don't want to wear anything short, and I wasn't going to wear this with jeans. So the extra small was just a little too short for me, so I bought a bigger one and got the small, and it fits perfect, and I don't have to worry about it being short on me. So anyways, it's in the evening time now, so excuse my hair and my makeup. I'm pretty sure everything looks bad. I've been using Retin-A on my face, and my face has been peeling, literally peeling. It's so disgusting right now. You can't really, hopefully you guys can't see it. And I also need my roots done, so I'm a big mess. My hair, as you can see, this dark here and then the light, it is looking bad. And if I don't hurry up and get it done, it's gonna look pretty bad because I do have grays. So, life. Anyways, I want to, I guess that's it, but I do want to thank you guys for watching my video. And if you guys have a comment or any questions about my gorgeous, gorgeous wallet, please let me know, or I can, I guess, put down below who I bought it from, what Japanese buyer. If you're interested, you can see that on my description down below. And I want to thank you guys for everything, for subscribing. And if you haven't yet, please subscribe. And have a wonderful day, and God bless you. Bye.